welcome to a class for manual and mental experiment. My name is J.K. Anna, and today with me is Henry. Henry will help me in today's experiment. It's going to be a puzzle, okay? Which means that it's a mental experiment. We're going to use 3 magic wands and use your magic powers to make 4 out of these 3, and you cannot break a stick.
Can I break?
No, you can't break. What is this?
4.
The number 4. Ah! Okay. But there's a more elegant way of solving the puzzle apart from this 4. So scan through your mind again and try to make 4 out of the 3. What do you have? So this is what?
I.
And so I think it's 4. Wow. The first one is busted. Okay, I have another one for you, which will not require the use of the matchstick. So I have Roman numeral I and X. It can be XI for 11 or IX. I want you to use one line to make it equal 6.
Can I?
Yes, use a marker.
It's impossible.
It's impossible, but it's possible. Now, oftentimes when they say people should make a line, they're always thinking about making a straight line, okay? And because Roman numerals will always be straight line, then it's also impossible to make what 6. But a line is anything that has no width and breadth, and that is often what longer than 8 points. So by bringing the letter 6, the S over here, we have what? 6.
Wow.
SIX 6. Thank you very much for joining me. You're also gracious. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, and see you again in the next class.